Understanding, Follow the Rules, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the phrase, follow the rules. Understanding such phrases is crucial for mastering the English language, and we're here to make it as simple as possible. Let's dive in. Follow the rules is a common English phrase that means to abide by or adhere to a set of guidelines or instructions. These rules can be formal, like laws and regulations, or informal, like social norms or game rules. Let's see how this phrase works in different contexts. 1. In a classroom, students are expected to follow the rules set by the teacher. 2. At work, following the company's rules is essential for a harmonious workplace. 3. In society, citizens should follow the rules of the law to maintain order. Why is it important? Following rules ensures safety. Abiding by safety rules prevents accidents. Order. Rules help maintain a structured and predictable environment. Fairness. Rules create a level playing field for everyone. Beware of confusing follow the rules with make the rules. The former implies obedience, while the latter implies authority to establish rules. We hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and importance of follow the rules in English. Remember, mastering a language is all about understanding these nuances. See you in the next video.